Hey guys and girls, so this is just a follow-up video to the install video I did for my gutter guard system. And sorry, I know that's not the technical name for it, but anyways, I just wanted to do a little update so you can see these leaves really haven't started coming down yet. Some other ones have. You can see how much is in the neighbours. And knock on wood, so far working quite well. You can see all the leaves on my roof. Here's the neighbor's roof. See just how much it's practically full at the end here. Over here we've got some small debris that's caught just in that lip or that edge of the eaves trough, but for the most part it's looking pretty good. And it's especially important on this side of my roof because I have access, but it's not very easy being a zero lot line. So we'll continue to monitor as these trees come down, and hopefully we have a good fall. Hopefully, like I said, it doesn't cause any ice jamming, and we'll kind of keep you updated as we go. Thanks for watching the update.